welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys something easy and for you guys to do. A lot of you guys ask me how I do my breakdowns. Now when I'm starting to write my breakdowns, I sometimes write them on a scrap piece of paper, and then when I go to the store I end up having a spreadsheet. Now I made a master copy spreadsheet and I just print it off every single week, and then what I do is I write like the product that I'm getting, and then I write like how much it costs, what the sale price is going to be, or what the sale price is, like what coupons I'm using, what other stuff I have together, and then I write what I actually pay. And then what happens is then I also have a column for like Ibotta, Checkout 51, all those guys, and then like what the final price came out to be. And a lot of you guys have been asking, and I had no idea how to do a Google document, so I wanted to share with you guys my spreadsheets. Now, I'm still not going to do breakdowns for you guys like this. All I'm going to do is still do what I continue doing on each of my videos, where you guys write the breakdowns now. So you guys can end up printing this off and writing your own breakdowns. I don't do breakdowns to print because there's a lot of reasons. Now a lot of you guys do understand, but YouTube I get paid off of. I put a lot of time into doing my videos, and I don't get paid as much of all the time that I put on it. Like, I'm pretty much volunteering to show you guys some of these deals, and a lot of you guys have been asking why I don't do printable breakdowns. Now, the reason why is because if I did a printable breakdown, you guys would go not even watch any of my video and you go straight towards the printable breakdown. So I did all that work for nothing, because I wouldn't get paid for any of that video that you guys clicked on, because you don't watch it, you just go straight to the printable breakdown. And that's why you see a lot of other YouTubers not doing printable breakdowns anymore, because they've all noticed that, you know, we don't get paid if you guys do it. So just giving you guys a heads up why some of us do and do not do it. But what I ended up doing is printing this off for you guys. I do have a link below for each one, so you guys can definitely save it, save a copy, do whatever you guys need to do with it. But this will help you guys on preparing for the stores. I'm just like out of breath all of a sudden. But this one is a Target one. So right here I have products, what the price is, I have quantity, if cartwheel's involved, and what coupon I'll be using, and what the total price I'll be paying out of pocket. Then there is a deal where if you guys need to submit it, you guys can submit it to Ibotta, Checkout 51, Savings Star, or other, which means, you know, you get a gift card, or you need to submit it to Fetch Rewards, and then it gives you the final price. So I just did this to share with you guys. Now this is how I fill out my, when I go to the store, I have my clipboard and I have all my stuff written down. And then I kind of check it off as I grab the items. And this is how I know I have everything. I got everything prepared, so I don't forget anything. So this is what I do. So this is what I have for Target. So that will be in the link for you guys below. Now I'm not going to have this in every single video. I'm only going to have it in this video. So if you guys need to save this video for the future, so you guys can click those links, go for it. But just giving you a heads up. Here is Walmart. So Walmart, we have product, price, quantity, coupon, total, Ibotta, Savings Star, Checkout 51, other, and the final price. So that would help you guys on that. And there's 4 individual links, so you guys can, you know, it says not everybody shops at Walmart, not everybody shops at Target. I did a CVS one for you guys. So we got product, price, quantity, coupon. Now red box means anything that printed from the red machine or CRT. This is what your total would be. But then I also did ECB, so you guys will be getting what you would get back in an ECB, and then Ibotta, Checkout 51, Savings Star, and then your final price. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. And then I also did one for Walgreens. So Walgreens, you got the product, the price, the quantity, the coupon, the total, Ibotta, Checkout 51, Savings Star, and then rewards means either you'll get points or register rewards, so you guys kind of know what to put in there, and then the final price. So these are printable spreadsheets for you guys to print off, so you guys can make your shopping trip a little bit easier. Yes, you do got to print them off, but as I show you guys deals, I always try to show you guys free paper deals, and hopefully you guys follow them, especially from Staples or all that stuff. But definitely wanted to share with you guys on this, but I print these off every single week, and I kind of changed this up a little bit than what I usually have, because I wanted to make it as easier for you guys. But definitely print these off and check it out. You guys have been asking, And yes, and then I will be doing of how I prepare for my videos. I'm working on something like that. I did start it one time and then I never finished it. So I'm going to be working on that. I still have another video of what printer I use. I'm going to be working on that. I just have to have like ambition to do it. But you know, things are getting better in my life, so I will definitely be sharing with you guys on that. But I hope you guys enjoy kind of a spreadsheet like this, and it is useful. So please keep in mind to save this for you guys, and then or if not, make a copy or something. But it will only be available in this video. I will not be linking it anywhere else. So save this video if you guys need to use it for the future. But again, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the nice spreadsheets I made for you guys, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.